for a very fuel-efficient sedan with all the latest gadgets? Well, look no further. Greg here at the Woodys Automotive Group, the highest-rated dealership in Middle America, and you can learn why by going to over 10,000reviews.com. Also, Woodys is Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year. Now, as you can see, we have this 2016 Dodge Dart in all its glory. Look at that pearl white color, just looking so bold and beautiful, young and restless. As you go down, you have these HID headlamps, perfect for those nighttime drives, fog lights just underneath. You also have that nice little chrome wrap grille, it's pretty cool. And coming down even further, you have these awesome 17-inch alloy wheels. It's pretty sweet, as well as that 2.4-liter inline-4 engine for that just insanely great fuel economy. It's hard for me to comprehend, so I had to take a second right there. Coming over to your mirrors, you have these power heated mirrors. Great for when you need to just defrost them, you know, on those winter months. Let's make our way into this gorgeous Dodge Dart. You got these incredible leather seats. Look how amazing those look. Those are also heated. You got that amazing, you know, color combination with that black and that light gray / white / beige. Whatever fits your needs. They're also powered, man. You just got everything. Coming over with this leather steering wheel. Everything you could ask for with this baby. It's also heated. So that's incredible. You got your Bluetooth streaming audio right there with your cruise control right there. Media controls behind there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Coming over to your 8.4-inch touchscreen Uconnect Media Center. Let's just say that again. 8.4-inch touchscreen Media Center. That's perfect. It's almost a foot. Got your AM, FM radio, your satellite radio. Excuse me. If you choose to subscribe, connect all the latest gadgets with your auxiliary ports, USB ports, just everything. You got your heated seat controls, heated steering wheel, as I said before. And there's your climate control. Let's turn those on so you can see that dual climate control, you know. Keep you and your passengers at that crisp yet frosty temperature. If it's warm out, you know, whatever suits you. Navigation. You got Garmin navigation, so you can go wherever. If you want to go to, I don't know, you want to go to Moscow, do it. World's your oyster. Coming over to your, there's your Bluetooth right there. Connect your phone, make, you know, effortless phone calls, just with your voice. You talk to your car, have a little chat with it, do whatever you want. And coming down, you got your climate controls, but let's not get ahead of ourselves, okay? First, let's talk about safety. Ooh, safety. See those guidelines right there? That's perfect. You're never going to hit anything behind you because this is going to pop up on your screen, like right in your face, and nothing will prevent you from being a safe driver. Woo! Going on down, you got your dual climate control units. Perfect. You also got 12-volt DC adapter. You got that stick shift right there. That's perfect. You got a 6-speed automatic going into the center console. Look at all that space. You fit a little puppy down there, all your food, McDonald's. I'm hungry, so I'm talking about food. You got a USB port, auxiliary port. Oh, look at that. My hands are out the car. It's because I got a sunroof. What else could you ask for, guys? Want to go check out the back? I know I do. Going to the back seat, you got these nice seats just like the front. White, black, you know, that nice complimentary leather seatage. That's perfect. Coming over to the back, you got all that chrome badging, all that good stuff. Dodge, limited, Dodge. You know, that's perfect. Got that backup camera right there. You also got power trunk. Perfect. You also got remote start, power trunk. Perfect. Keyless entry. Coming in there, look at all that space. You got all those floor mats. That's perfect. So all in all, you got that navigation, you got those leather heated seats. You just have it all. You got that 8.4-inch. That's the third time. I just have to keep saying it. It's perfect. So if you want to check out this incredible Dodge Dart or any other sedans that we have, which there's like thousands of them, come and check out our website at WowWoodys.com or come and check out our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Greg. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.